Hey there everybody, this is just a super quick video to show you why you may want to subscribe on your Chromebook but also on your phone. So check this out, we are almost at 4,000 subscribers, which is super cool. Thank you guys all for your support. If you're on your phone though, you've got a chance to see the community project and you can actually help me pick what we're doing for our next video and things like that. Another interesting thing, and you'll have to test this for me because my account has got superpowers, but if you look at a playlist, for instance the Fantastic Fun results, where there are 46 videos, I've got all 46. You can see here on my phone I've got all 46. I do not believe you have that many on your Chromebooks. It would be really cool if you guys would double check and add a comment letting me know how many videos you actually have. So hey friends, thank you for checking out this video. There have been some pretty cool ones. This one was actually kids in class creating cool stuff the other day, and there are going to be a couple other ones coming up today or tomorrow that also show cool things that kids have been doing. Friends, if you enjoyed the movie, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please hit subscribe. If you've got a question or a comment, please add it below. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.